Carrying loads for an extended period during a trip is no fun. Taking stuff in and out during a trip is a hassle. Placing valuables in the bag during a trip may be risky, and you don't even have to carry extra bags on your trip. Introducing Nex, the 3-in-1 bag mate that fits on all makes of bags. Featuring a shock-absorbing air cushion, Nex makes your load feel 30% lighter, traveling more comfortable, and improves your posture. The multifunctional pocket is designed to store one passport, one power bank, and one phone at a time, and even allows you to use your smartphone while charging. It's perfectly designed for travelers and commuters. Pull down Nex to turn it into a chest pocket. There are 3 extra inner pockets to organize small items. It's spacious inside and 100% waterproof outside. Nex is also a perfect camera strap with extra space to store and protect your batteries, SD cards, and lens caps. The hidden pocket is designed to carry small items like keys, cash, and cards for convenient daily use, making it handy and secure for your valuables. Just wrap Nex around. It's super easy to install on any bags or can even be worn on its own as a crossbody bag. It's also a perfect bag for jogging. Nex comes in 5 colors, and you can even customize Nex with any patch you want. It's fun, colorful, functional, and shock absorbing. Upgrade your bag right now with Nex.
The Travel Bag Buddy is an innovative, patent-pending solution for traveling with multiple bags while keeping your items organized and accessible on the go. On the go, the Travel Bag Buddy gives you easy access to your phone, money, cards, and other belongings. Unlike other options, the Travel Bag Buddy stays attached to either the rolling bag or your secondary bag. This allows you to quickly pass through airport security knowing your items are secure. The Travel Bag Buddy is made from sturdy, high-quality materials. The main panels fold over, transforming the Travel Bag Buddy into a compact, RFID-protected travel organizer, which packs flat and takes up almost no room in your purse, briefcase, or luggage.
Meet the Hydrade bottle, a revolution in hydration technology. An insulated water bottle meets a smartphone. With user-friendly software, Hydrade makes it easy to sync to your smart devices. Just pair it once and you're good to go anywhere your adventures take you. The Hydrade bottle is BPA-free with double-walled construction and no buttons, which makes it safe for kids and the wear and tear they tend to dish out. The Hydrade bottle measures your hydration intake and uses the information to donate clean water to those in need through our collaboration with the nonprofit Charity Water. The uniquely integrated solar cell design allows the Hydrade bottle to automatically charge when exposed to light to maintain Bluetooth connectivity to all your devices and third-party apps, like Fitbit and the Apple Watch. No charging cable or base is ever needed. Hydrade keeps beverages ice cold for 22 hours and hot for up to 13 hours. And it's powered by solar energy. Hydrade's unique sensor is totally different from the other smart bottles. It knows if you're drinking the water yourself or pouring it out for your best friend. The vast majority of humans are chronically dehydrated, which can lead to numerous health concerns. Hydrade's drink tracking sensor makes it the perfect solution for people who need to increase their daily water intake and keep their body in optimal shape. The most basic element of human life can be paired with the unique, innovative, patent-pending smart bottle technology. With your new Hydrade bottle, you never need to go thirsty again.